Welcome back to another video, guys. We are out here with another new truck. The last video was with the 2020 Ram, but obviously we have a new 2021 Chevy Silverado 2500. So I'm going to go around it real quick. The Dodge just was not the vehicle for me. It was fancy. It had every bell and whistle, but I'm happy to get back into Chevy. Now, I've wanted one for quite a while, but as everybody knows, they're really hard to get. So we finally put our hands on one. It worked out great. So let's give it a little walk around. Now, before we jump into the truck, as always, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe. Tons of stuff coming, lifts and tires and everything else. We want to do a lot, so make sure you stay tuned. Alrighty, so 2021 Silverado 2500 HD. Now this does have the 6.6 liter gas engine, not the diesel engine, but that's okay. We do not haul a lot, but we do have some goosenecks that we are going to be pulling. And that's one thing we do have to install is a gooseneck in this truck. I'm going to be probably doing that myself as always. This is a Z71. I really like the factory wheels. Those are going to suffice until we get the bigger wheels and tires. Probably going with 35s. I don't think 37s would fit like we were talking about with the Dodge. The headlights, I wish we had the LTZ so we had all the daylights, fancy running lights, kind of like the last Silverado, but we will be getting some, I think it's Lay's Fit, the blue lighting. It does have factory fog lighting that are the blue color, but these are those old nasty yellows, so we're going to be getting all that updated. Tow mirrors, I really like the tow mirrors. I've seen some people put those on a 1500, looks pretty cool. We do have the factory running boards because we all know that I'm short, need a step. So now one thing this bed does have is the side step, which is going to be right here, and then it has the rear one right here. I really missed it. The Dodge really opened my eyes because trying to get in and out of that was not very easy. I'm very excited to have those back, especially one up front. We need to get the black vinyl lettering for the rear, just like we done the last truck. And like I mentioned back here, we do have to put a gooseneck ball in here. I am going to be upgrading trailers, so we want to get that done. We're going to do it ourselves, do some research because I know it can be done. Factory bed liner, and this is the 6.6 liter gas engine. Now it's putting over 400 horsepower and 400 something foot-pounds of torque, which is pretty impressive for what it is. And the best part is this is designed for the larger diesel engine, so putting a gas one in here gives you tons of room to get down and work on this engine. It does come with one battery. It's got a second slot for a second battery, and the gas engine is going to allow us to put some exhaust on here and get that loud truck sound. Now on the inside, nothing fancy going on here. Once again, seat covers, I want to go with the Carhartt branded, using Covercraft like we always do. This is the crew cab, and it has a ton of leg room. We do have the Z71 all weathered floor mats all the way across. In the front, you get your nice logo. Center console, which was big for me. All of this is the same as the old truck. All of your gauge cluster, steering wheel, everything is the same, except we have the center console, which was important to me. I definitely wanted that. And most importantly, this truck does not have auto start and stop. How exciting is that? It's just a big engine, big truck. There's no need for auto start and stop, and this truck does not even come with it. So that is super exciting. I'm not sure if Range Technologies, who we had on the last truck, is going to be releasing anything for this truck. We did about 200-300 miles, and we got 16 miles per gallon running the highway and a little bit of back roads, so that's not bad. The diesel was getting about 19, maybe 20, so we haven't did any tow test. I'm sure that's going to drop to 6 or 7 that I've seen on YouTube when you put full weight behind this truck, but for what we're doing, it's amazing. So that's going to wrap it up. Hope you like the truck. Super excited. We got the white Chevy back. We have a gas engine, so we can do some stuff. We're going to be doing the lift. We're going to be doing the tires, maybe in the fall or maybe in the spring. I'm not sure, but I promise you it is coming. This will not stay stock for very long. New shop, plenty of space to do all of the fun activities. So make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Otherwise, we're going to leave you here. Quick video. Stay tuned. See you next week. See you later.